Welcome, this is Markus Termin, Astrologisches Stundenbuch at the 8th of October 2024. Now the moon is in the sign of Sagittarius. Sagittarius and Sagittarius moon, and in combination with the sun in Libra, that's a very nice and fine it's not a conjunction, it's a sextile combination in between moon and sun. There are heavy weights around the sun anyhow, which is the south node and Lilith, and Mercury is in Libra too. But the combination in between Sagittarius moon and Libra sun, repeating myself, is a smooth combination. The Sagittarius moon likes the Libra sun very much. They work together very well. Libra sun looks to organize things that are balanced out, full of value. And the Sagittarius moon is out there for interesting views, interesting new views, interesting plans, actually. This is an optimistic combination, grounded with a lot of spirit from the air sign of Libra. Spirit may be grounding too, though it's not earth-bound. Then this is one of the days where a lot of things just click in as if it would be a big clock at the same time. We have the opposition from Moon to Jupiter. We at the same time have an exact aspect in between Venus and Mars from water signs. Take care for the harmony of your relationship. That's a good time for new foundations, for new regulations there. This is the trine in between Venus and Mars. Okay, and then Mercury makes an opposition to Chiron. Now this is a problem. Mercury's opposition to Chiron is like the two keys being in opposition to each other's. Because Chiron is a key, even the symbol of Chiron is close to a key. If you look at that, Chiron in the sign of Aries and Mercury in the sign of Libra. And Chiron is heading to the future interests with the North Node, and Mercury is within the Libran forces that give home to the South Node, so-called Ketu in Indian astrology. And this is, the keys are in opposition. That means there is no right way to go to solve this opposition, except if we go to Jupiter, because then, which is another exact aspect today, we have a fair trine in between Jupiter and Mercury popping up today, which is great. This is like the higher octave and the minor octave. This is like wisdom and knowledge working together. And this also gives us the hint how to overcome the opposition, which even might be dangerous if you have it in between house 3 and 9, for instance. Movement, take care on the roads. How can we overcome this opposition? We can use the aspect that throws sextiles and trigones, trines, sextiles and trines, which is 120 degree, and as those aspects are all exact, you can easily catch the triangle of Pythagoras there. There's a harmony in there, because this is forming a trine. What does it mean exactly? It means knowledge. We got to have some additional information to get to know why the two keys, Mercury and Chiron, don't work together well. Why we don't get into the situation of balancing out things, of getting negotiations, of talking everything over again, to find a solution. And there are so many solutions to be found, but obviously there's still a lack of information. Not with everybody, but maybe with the people who have to take decisions. Now, it's not an easy way to go because of this opposition in between Moon in Sagittarius and Jupiter in the sign of Gemini, because Moon in Sagittarius, it's a very positive, optimistic, lively moon, but it has the tendency to know where it's at anyhow. He is born with wisdom, Moon in Sagittarius, but he has a lack of knowledge. There's wisdom and knowledge is just not the same. Wisdom is okay, but sometimes wisdom needs additional information, and additional information needs wisdom to be complete. Now, all the science folks out there, they think it's enough to have the information. This is the numbers, this is the statistics, this is, I proved it, it's going that way, and we have the prediction within a few years that it's going to go that way. But this is just not true. This is half the world. The other half is spirit, and pure information might have a lack of spirit. The moon in Sagittarius is way closer on the balance of spirit, and never forget, the ruler of Sagittarius is in Gemini again. So this is tricky. Okay. Overall, having said that, what is the most important thing for today? I think it's the knowledge. It's still the knowledge to go out there, and the second might be balance out your relationship. Thank you very much for listening. This is Markus Termin at the 8th of October 2024. Hope you like this crazy light setting here. In case you want to get in contact with me, the genius German astrologer, just use this mail address, put in your name, time you were born, place you were born, and the date, of course. And down here at my German blog site, which is a very decent old blog with over 4,000 posts, you'll find the conditions for a consultation. It's easy. I send you a Zoom link and everything like that. Hope to hear it tomorrow again. This is Markus Termin at the 8th of October 2024.